In this module, we cover the mobile application for photo sharing, Instagram. Instagram allows you to like, capture, and share any moments to a worldwide hub. It's mobile and technically one of the most powerful social network applications today. Almost everyone with a mobile phone in their possession has Instagram. In 2017, 1 billion users are on Instagram. That's 13% over the world's population. That's not all. As of today, the number of people spending their time on social media is rising. It's recorded 30% of our time is spent online, and most of it is spent on our mobile phones. Thus, 60% of it is from our mobile devices. It means the total hours spent on social media has overtaken the time spent on eating and socializing in person. An average Instagram user spends approximately 15 to 20 minutes of their time scrolling, liking, posting, sharing, and socializing. This information allows 50% of the world's brand to use Instagram as part of their online marketing strategy. Some of the top brands that have reached hundreds of thousands of followers are National Geographic, Victoria's Secret, The Ellen Show, and even Nike. National Geographic themselves has generated at least an average of 400,000 likes from a single photo. That's a huge amount of traffic generated. It's not impossible for you, an online marketer, to generate the number of likes and views you want from Instagram. You might think all you need to do is to post an awesome high-definition picture and wait for the likes to come in. But will it even span across multiple users out there? How would you know that your post can be viewed by users worldwide? Are you even aware of the most popular time to be posting on Instagram? Worry not, in the coming modules, you'll learn how these brands have generated tons of traffic by having over thousands of likes on their photos and millions of views on their videos. Time for you to become the official Instagram user on the go. Towards the end of this section, you will not just create an Instagram account, but you'll learn how to optimize your post and look up fellow users of similar interest. You'll learn to post that first photo and video using different image filters in Instagram. Don't forget tagging. It's all about tagging the right words if you want users to look you up. Inevitably, you will identify the most commonly used tag and exploit it to gain the traffic you want. First thing you need to know about Instagram is it is created for the sole purpose of being a mobile sharing platform. Unlike Facebook, Tumblr, and Pinterest, where users may upload their files from both their personal computer and mobile phones, Instagram only allows uploads from mobile phones, even though it has its own web page. That's right, you may scroll, like, and view posts on their web page, but not upload any files. News has stated that Instagram will unlikely change this. Why? Because it may stray from the main purpose of Instagram, an application that allows your photos and videos to be shared instantly on the go. Understanding the simple principle of Instagram should give you a generic idea of how you should handle your account to its fullest. You need only a mobile device to make traffic from Instagram. Download it and install it. Previously, you've created your Facebook page. Now you may sign up using the same email. It's advisable that you link your Facebook page and synchronize it to Instagram using the same account you have in Facebook. This way, it'll be easier to develop your business profile on Instagram and get higher probability of traffic from multiple platforms as mentioned in SEO for that off-site optimization. Name your account accordingly and follow the sign-up instructions until you are prompted to find contacts. Instagram will automatically search through your contacts to find those who are using Instagram as well. This way, it'll be easier for you to follow them. Set up the appropriate profile picture for your account, and finally, you'll be welcome to your home page. Remember to treat your profile picture as your branding, so use your logo for it. Before you start exploring, consider the profile of your account. If you're bringing a business profile to Instagram, it's necessary you turn your Instagram account into a business account. This will make it easier for you to declare to users that you are a business account, and people will get in touch with you easily using Instagram. Go to your profile and tap the setting icon on the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to find the Switch to Business Profile option. You'll be opted to connect to your Facebook page if you haven't done so. Once it's connected, Instagram will automatically import your business profile from Facebook and set it up for you. Once you're finished, you'll have access to Instagram Insights. It's a necessary tool for online marketers to understand their audience's behavior, thus creating a more relevant post based on their statistics. This is part 2 of becoming an Instagram user on the go. Your next step is navigating and learning Instagram Insights. Go to your profile page and tap the bar chart icon beside your setting icon. It will appear blank if you do not have any posts yet. Considering you have posted a few photos, the information will appear. This page is divided into 5 sections. However, the last section requires you to pay to promote, thus we will not touch upon that. Before going through these sections, there are 3 key points to Insights. First, impression is the total number of times all your posts have been seen. Next is reach, which is the number of unique accounts that have seen your posts. Then you will have profile views and eventually followers. Now, the first section is at the top of the screen. It will show you how many impressions you made for the last 7 days and the differences in number between this week and the last week before. These numbers are basic information on whether you're progressing or regressing that week. The second section provides you with the top most post in the last 7 days. You may tap the See More icon and be directed to the most popular post you've had over the last 7 days. At default, the topmost photos will be arranged as per their highest number of impressions. You may, of course, filter those arrangements by sliding up the filter option. You can even see individual impressions made by individual posts you have. Simply tap on any of the photos you want to view and tap View Insights underneath the post. Here you have the total number of impressions, reach, and engagement your post is generated. The third section is the Stories section. Creating stories allows you to have a direct impression to your followers. Click the Create New Story and you'll be directed to post one. The last section is the Followers activity. This bar chart shows you when your followers are most active on Instagram. You can even tap See More icon to view the categorization. You have information of your followers' gender, age, and even location. Plus, you have a bar chart of probability on when your users are most likely to log in hourly and, of course, daily. So, what comes after all this information? If you've just posted several posts already, it's time to evaluate the information you've garnered using Insights. Study your viewers based on your target audience and the actual impressed audience. From there, connect the dots between them and the post. We've reached the final lesson to gain traffic using Instagram, so what's next? Remember how previously you could add your contact information when you've converted your normal profile into a business profile? Well, that is the only clickable link directing users to your website. That's why it's important to add your website to your description and thus direct users to your desired website. So one of the constant ways to do this is to always mention your website link on every caption of your posts. Ever seen posts with check link in bio or link in bio? They're trying to drive users to their main page. For example, if you're doing a sales promotion, make sure when you share a post with a link in bio caption, you've updated your URL to direct users towards your sales promotion page. The process is similar if you've updated your blog or are launching a new product or anything else for that matter. Other than captioning your post, you need to tag it. There are numerous tags going on around the internet at the moment, but the usage and popularity of a tag is different across social networks. Research shows on Instagram the most popular used tag is #love. Currently, it spans across 1 billion posts in 2017, and it's commonly used by teens. What comes next after #love is #social and #foodporn. Both span around 5 million and 100 million usage consecutively. But what if your business is not related to love? Can you even maintain a tag related to post? if none of your posts equates to the next popular hashtags? Then it's time to get creative with your tags. Let's say you've had a new strawberry milkshake recipe to boast about, and you've updated the how-to on your blog. Remember to update your link and hashtag your captions. So instead of hashtag strawberry milkshake recipe, typed without space, try individual hashtags for each word like hashtag love, hashtag strawberry, hashtag milkshake, hashtag new, hashtag recipe, hashtag food porn. That way, your hashtag will span across differing word searches instead of one full sentence. It'll be easier for the users to find your posts this way. Interesting? This is how you generate traffic, not only to your Instagram profile, but to your main page as well. Try it out. The whole purpose is for you to study the pattern of your users and to anticipate their needs in your future posts.